Another lovely rainy day here in Seattle. I'm on my way to Taco, I think that's how you pronounce it, cafe, to get some breakfast and coffee before I start my 3 tours today. I have a underground tour today at like 10:30, and then I have a coffee culture tour at 1. Then at 8 o'clock, of course, I have a like ghost tour of Seattle. But for the most part, it's just so windy. It's raining those mornings, so I'm just trying to keep dry, get some food, and enjoy the tours the best that I can. Just passed a homeless lady, and she was like, "Ma'am," and I was like, she's like, "God said you're a ratchet bitch." I'm like, okay. A wonderful time at the cafe. Now I'm walking to my underground walking tour. Thankfully, the meeting place for my walking tour isn't that far, like a 6-minute walk from the cafe, but still. Actually, this is so windy though. Yeah, I'm in the rain. I just keep standing in. Ooh, what's that? That moving thing. Interesting. Huh. You see that totem pole like off in the distance? That's so cool. Cute little area, but I do have to turn and go up there for my tour.
Too fast, tell me to slow down. Pioneer Place Park, the sawmill. After the fire, these beautiful buildings spring up all around us. And there's one walls filled in with dirt from the hills. They moved more dirt than was moved to create the Panama Canal. Pick it up and hire some indigenous people to carry your luggage across the mountain. A lot of people died. Avalanches, froze to death. And then you build a raft and you go downstream to Dawson. And this is where we'll talk about the fire and how we rebuilt this. Yeah, I learned the hard way. If you're over 6 feet tall, watch your head. It circles the entire city block, like a wall around the castle. These 5 buildings representing the castle. Then they went across the street over there, did the same thing to that block, and they continued this process encircling 33 square blocks.
I hope you can hear me okay, but I just got done with, well not just, about 20 minutes ago I got done with the underground walking tour, so now I'm on my way to the coffee tour. It's all just uphill. It's so tiring if you're not used to it. It's just uphill.
in Seattle
Oh,
and
he
grew up
was.
here.
Okay.
So this is Broadway. If you were to walk that way to the Central District,
Yes.
that would be his neighborhood that he grew
Oh,
up
okay.
there's like almost 100, maybe over 100 spread around the city. They're in every neighborhood. They appear at night. We don't know who puts them up.
Really?
Just like random art. And this is brand new. This was not here. So unusual for the hanging dragons. It has a sword and a shield. This one was up September 3rd. And there's pink on the outside of it. So and they're beautiful colors.
Right, so I finished my coffee tour and then I met Sydney Brown from Sydney Brown Travels, at the Navy Strength Bar, and it was so fun. I loved her recommendation, and now I'm trying to walk to my ghost tour. I think I might be late, I might not make it, but we will see. However, it was so fun meeting her. I really enjoyed meeting someone from my travel community, so thank you so much, Sydney, and I leave a link to her blog and Instagram and all that good stuff, so you can go and check her out. And now I have to kind of rush to kind of make it to my ghost tour.
Housing here in the city of Seattle. But what most of its residents who live here, no matter how low their low income pricing is, it may not be worth it for the disturbance. And he chose this spot. Now, the Moore Theater and Hotel will be doomed for a number of reasons under his management. And the first one being that this was home to our very first graveyard. People were buried right in that spot from 1853 to 1860. But another problem that would occur for Arthur Denny, he chose